Thanks for tuning in to Mirror Now and welcome to our very special show where we are saluting the Corona warriors. Now, it is said that we need heroes to fight a war. During the time India has been fighting the deadly coronavirus, holding fort are the doctors and nurses, the real Corona warriors. Now, on Independence Day, Mirror Now salutes the sacrifice of every healthcare worker who has been putting his and her life at risk to ensure that the lives of others are saved. Well, it was a sacrifice and dedication and extreme sense of duty of so many people which enabled our nation to fight the battle against the coronavirus. Our COVID warriors in khaki across the country are standing tall, brave and determined to defeat this unprecedented virus. Now, we bring you the story of one such warrior. Mahesh Jadhav is a Mumbai police constable and this is his story.
The sun rises, eliminating the darkness to lighten the world. With the sun, Mahesh Jadhav also rises, a hero preparing himself for his battlefield. Mahesh is a Mumbai police constable, fighting a battle every day during the coronavirus pandemic for last 4 months. Mahesh is a COVID warrior. This is Mahesh's house, his wife Rajshri, his 8-year-old daughter Sai and his 2-year-old daughter Chiku. This is Mahesh's world. Until the pandemic hit, Mahesh's life was all about duty, playing with his daughters and being there with his wife. But once the COVID pandemic hit, everything changed. Now Mahesh, like any other COVID warrior, has only one mission: defeat coronavirus. And this means not being able to hold his daughters, not being able to play with them. All Mahesh can do is watch his daughters from a distance.
कभी सोचा नहीं था कि लाइफ इतना चेंज हो जाएगा कोरोना के वजह से, तो पूरा लाइफ पूरा चेंज हो चुका है। सैनिटाइज़र, मास्क पहनना पड़ रहा है, खुद की सिक्योरिटी के लिए हाथ धोना साबुन से, सब सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग रखना है। और ड्यूटी है तो काम पे तो जाना ही पड़ेगा, ड्यूटी है पुलिस फोर्स में जाने, ड्यूटी है तो काम पे तो जाना ही पड़ेगा। सही?
For the last 4 months, nothing has stopped Mahesh from being a COVID warrior, except for the period when the COVID warrior himself contracted the virus. Mahesh was tested positive in May. He was symptomatic and had to be hospitalized. But like a true warrior, once his treatment and quarantine period was over and he was tested negative, Mahesh was back on duty. Mahesh is deployed in Shahu Nagar police station. Dharavi, one of the worst corona-affected areas of Mumbai, comes under this police station. Mahesh was on patrolling duty in Dharavi all these months, ensuring that the lockdown was implemented, seeing that people don't step out unnecessarily, asking people to wear masks and maintain social distancing.
Remember how so many of us had the privilege of working from our homes during the complete lockdown? We had the privilege of attending our meetings, our conferences online from the comfort and convenience and safety of our homes. But Mahesh did not have that. When everybody was staying indoors to keep themselves safe, Mahesh was out there on the roads doing his duty.
हमको बहुत मुश्किल पड़ रहा है ड्यूटी करते हुए, पेट्रोलिंग करते हुए, नाकाबंदी करते हुए लोगों को बताना पड़ रहा है बार बार मास्क पहनो, सैनिटाइजर यूज करो और घर से बाहर मत निकलो। लेकिन तभी भी लोग सुनते नहीं हैं। हमको उनको डराना धमकाना पड़ रहा है, नहीं तो उनको लाठी भी दिखाना पड़ रहा है। ये सबसे बड़ी मुश्किल घड़ी है हमारे लिए।
Mahesh, along with his bandobast duties, was also on migrant labourers registration duty. That was another emotional roller coaster for him.
कोरोना वायरस की वजह से हमारे इधर बहुत परेशानी लोगों को सहनी पड़ी। जो बाहर राज्यों से कामगार वर्कर लोग इधर काम कर रहे, उनको अपने अपने गांव जाने के लिए बहुत मुश्किल प्रॉब्लम्स उठाना पड़ा। वो अपने अपने गांव में बीवी बच्चों के साथ जा रहे थे। बीवी बच्चा रहे दो बूढ़े माँ बाप चल के जा रहे थे, कोई ट्रेन से जा रहे थे। तो हमको अब हम कभी कभी ऐसे सोचते हैं, घर पे जाके ऐसे सोचते हैं कि क्या हाल आ गया, यानी कि क्या परिस्थिति आ गई बॉम्बे की।
In the midst of all this, Mahesh dealt with a big loss. His senior, API Amol Kulkarni, lost the battle to coronavirus and passed away.
कोरोना के पीरियड में हमारे चौकी के अमोल कुलकर्णी सर, वो हमारे चौकी के डिटेक्शन ऑफिसर थे, बहुत होनहार ऑफिसर थे। उनका बहुत बॉम्बे पुलिस में नाम है। उनका कोरोना पॉजिटिव होने के बाद उनका डेथ हुआ अचानक से। हमारे चौकी को सबको, यानी कि सब चौकी वालों को झटका लगा कि उनके जगह पे, यानी कि हमारे दिमाग में ख्याल आया कि हम उनके जगह पे हमारी चौकी का कोई भी रह सकता था, मैं रह सकता तो या ऑल ओवर स्टाफ रह सकता था।
This is what Mahesh and many more cops out there are doing to keep us safe. They do it daily. They do it for us. Being a COVID warrior is no easy task. Mahesh is forced to maintain a distance from his own wife and daughters in his own home.
मेरे पति जब धारावी जैसे एरिया में काम करके वापस घर आते हैं तो हमें बहुत टेंशन रहता है, क्योंकि घर में छोटे बच्चे हैं। मेरे 8 साल की बच्ची है, एक 2 साल की बच्ची है। वो बड़ी बच्ची को पापा के पास मत जाइए कहते हैं तो उधर समझ आता है, लेकिन छोटी बच्ची को समझ नहीं आता है। वो बार बार पापा के पास जाने की कोशिश करती है, लेकिन पापा उन्हें ले नहीं सकते, क्योंकि पापा को भी बहुत टेंशन रहता है, क्योंकि वो बाहर से काम करके आते हैं।
As we end this journey with Mahesh Jadhav here today, we know that he'll be out there tomorrow again, and day after will continue doing his duty, serving the nation and fighting coronavirus at every single step. More than 100 cops in Maharashtra are martyred so far in this war against coronavirus so that we stay safe. A real tribute to these corona warriors will be to remain safe. In Mumbai, with camera person Nilesh Ved Pathak, this is Santya for Mirror Now. A very happy Independence Day to all of you.
Meanwhile, as COVID cases spiral across the country, there's an enormous pressure building on COVID testing labs because they are limited in number. Now, the staff in these testing labs are not just stretching for hours, but also risking their own lives day in and day out. This is the story of Manjunath, a lab technician. Now, despite having years of experience in this field, the pandemic has posed a big challenge for him, and he's surrounded by COVID samples all day long. The well-being of his family is what is foremost on his mind.
Well, our COVID warriors are like heroes on the front line without a cape. Now, their superpowers and weapons are their determination, their selflessness, their grit, and their compassion, most of all. Well, I'm bringing you a story of one such COVID warrior who's been in this field for nearly 11 years now, selflessly dedicating his time, his patience, and more importantly, risking his own life while he's at his job.
With the first rays of the sun, this COVID warrior is readying himself to fight the battle head on. Meet Manjunath, a lab technician for more than a decade now. Ever since his father passed away 9 years ago, he has been the support system for his mother and 3 sisters. Manjunath's mother, Gangama, is a senior citizen, which means he has to be twice as careful in his interactions with her, considering the work he does.
ಇಲ್ಲೂರ 12 ಗಂಟೆ 1 ಗಂಟೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು ಪಾಪ 10 ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಜೀವ ಉಳಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ಅದೊಂದು ಪುಣ್ಯ ಅಲ್ಲವ್ರ ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಒಂದು ಪುಣ್ಯ ಅವ್ರ ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೂ ಪುಣ್ಯ ನಮಗೂ ಪುಣ್ಯ ಅಲ್ಲವ್ರ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಆ ಥರ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಅದು 1 ಗಂಟೆ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಆದರೂ ಆಯ್ತು 12 ಗಂಟೆ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಮಗ ನಾವು ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಓದಿಸ್ತು ಹೆಂಗೋ ಅವರು ಕಾಲ ಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರು ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು ನಮಗೂ ಖುಷಿ ಆತೈತ್ರಿ ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಮಂಥವ್ರದ್ದು ಇದರಿಂದ ಸಾಕ್ರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ
One of the most daunting tasks in the fight against COVID-19 is the actual testing of the samples. The lab technicians spend hours together on a daily basis testing these samples, wearing the PPE kits in order to ensure their exposure does not turn out to be costly for them. And they do this day after day, testing thousands of samples after samples, and they go on and do it tirelessly. Now, like Manjunath as well, there are several other lab technicians across the country who are going on and continuing with their work on the front line. And we're going to show you what it's like to be inside a lab working on the front line.
As the chief operating manager of the lab, Manjunath's work involves him working very closely with COVID-19 samples. Working inside a lab, a technician needs to take the utmost care and requires immense concentration to be able to test thousands of samples on a given day.
I have a mother who is above 16 in my home. So even a small mistake from my side, if I neglect something while performing the lab, so I may get infected. So in that scenario, if that minor mistake will be fatal or deadly to my parents who are there in my home, as well as the kids, my niece and nephews will come routinely to my place. They also get infected. So for that thing, we are very careful in handling each and every sample.
It was Dr. Ravi who stumbled upon Manjunath and chose him to work with the team. He honed his skills and gave him an opportunity to grow.
What is great about Manjunath is his single-minded devotion to what he wants to contribute to a patient. It's not just COVID. He has been dealing with multi-drug resistant organisms. He is dealing with multi-drug resistant TB. See, we have done this work. That's how we developed a BSL-2 facility to do work, and he is so committed to that. And that commitment is what drives him.
The biggest concern for COVID warriors remains the risk of infecting their precious families at home. But despite this, COVID warriors like Manjunath have selflessly continued to save lives and work tirelessly.
Well, we've spent more than 15 hours with a COVID warrior and shown you what one day in the life of a COVID warrior is like. So let's all start to be more grateful. Let's spend a minute to thank them and most importantly, respect their selfless service. Well, here's wishing them more strength, more power and more courage. In Bengaluru with video journalist Santosh, this is Neha Hebali for Mirror Now.
Let's in fact move on now to Mirror Now's Alok Singh, who spent a day with Mohan Kumar, who works as a Sevadar at Delhi's biggest cremation ground, that is the Nigambodh Ghat. What challenges did this Corona warrior face at home? Let's find out.
Mohan Kumar lives with his wife, 3 children and elderly mother in a densely populated locality in Delhi's Simapuri. Every day, around 8 a.m, Mohan leaves for work. His wife and mother prepare and pack food for him.
अब शाम को ही वापस आएंगे शाम को?
हाँ शाम को
कितने बजे आते हैं वापस?
वापस आती हूँ ऐसे ही 5 बजे आ जाती हूँ।
ठीक है, तो कभी कभी अपनी बहू का हाथ बटाती हैं?
हाँ हाथ बटा देती हूँ बहू को।
अभी आप क्या बना रही हैं?
चाय बना रही हूँ।
चाय बना रही हैं। सुबह सुबह चाय पिलाती हैं हस्बैंड को?
हाँ जी।
High number of cases and the fear of infection constantly plays on the minds of the family, especially since Mohan's job requires dealing with COVID-infected bodies.
मुझे बेहद डर लगता था कि कोरोना की बॉडी जलाते हैं, पता नहीं कैसे क्या होगा।
कभी आपने ऐसा कहा कि मना किया इनको किया?
हाँ भैया मैंने मना भी किया था, पर वहाँ से वो लोग छुट्टी नहीं देते हैं।
तो एक टाइम पे तो बहुत ज़्यादा बॉडी जलाते थे, अभी तो थोड़ा कम हो गया?
अब तो बहुत कम हो गया है, पहले तो 10-11 बजे आते थे रात में।
Nigam Bodh Ghat, located at the bank of the river Yamuna, has handled a large number of COVID-infected dead bodies.
जीवन का ये सत्य है कि जो यहाँ आया है उसे एक न एक दिन परमात्मा के परम धाम को अवश्य जाना है।
It was Mohan who cremated that first COVID case that reached this place in March. He did so wearing a PPE kit under the supervision of doctors. Earlier, CNG chimneys were only used to cremate bodies. Later court allowed the burning in open. But Mohan is expert in burning the bodies in CNG chimney. Mohan wears the PPE kit when the corona dead body arrives.
जब पहली बॉडी आई थी तो डर तो हर किसी को लगा था सर, डर तो हर किसी को लगता है कि कोरोना की बॉडी है, अगर हम हाथ लगाएंगे तो कहीं हमको कोरोना ना हो जाए, हमको कोरोना हो गया तो हमारे बच्चे कौन देखेगा पीछे।
Lunch time is the only time when Mohan relaxes a bit with his colleagues. Though on some days, he doesn't even get that.
सर उस टाइम तो बॉडी इतनी थी कि एक दिन तो 28 बॉडियाँ जलाई थी, तो उसमें टाइम इतना लगा था कि सर हमारे खाने का भी तो खाना तो दूर, हमारे को बैठने तक का टाइम नहीं मिला था।
Mohan is cremating the body for past 8 years and in fact in past 5 months life has changed. Now he is wearing mask, kits and he is trying to ensure that no corona could affect on him because of the corona affected body. Definitely life is not easy for him. In fact, this is the cremation center of Nigam Bodh Ghat and this is the CNG center where thousands of bodies have been cremated so far. In fact, this is Mohan's 721st body which is he cremating in the past 5 months. In fact, in Nigam Bodh Ghat, the first body came in the month of March and since then thousands of bodies have already been cremated. Definitely life is not at all easy for the people like Mohan. But Mohan says that he will continue doing this work with full confidence and without any fear and he will continue serving the society in the similar manner.
As he wraps up work for the day, Mohan changes back into the clothes he was wearing in the morning and talks to us about how he got this job.
जब मैं संस्था में जब लगा था तो पहले मैं माली का काम करता था। माली का काम में से करते करते मैं जब ये बस जो एम्बुलेंस है इस पर मेरे को फिर कंडक्टर बना दिया गया था। कंडक्टर से फिर मेरे को तो सीएनजी में कोई लड़का नहीं था, तब मेरे को सीएनजी में रखा गया था। तो फिर जब से मैं सीएनजी में ही लगा हुआ हूँ सर। इसमें सर 11,000 रुपये मिलते हैं, इसमें कोई वो नहीं है। 12,000 रुपये कह रहे करने की तो हो जाएगा सर। तो उसमें ये है सर, तो उसमें हमारे को कोई 150 रुपये दे जाता है, उससे हम अपना कर लेते हैं।
Mirror now salutes the commitment of this man who witnesses death, heartbreak and grief every day, while trying to keep his family safe in this era of the pandemic.
Our next story is about Sheila, a 32-year-old nurse who leaves her young daughter and husband every day to come and treat patients at the Rajiv Gandhi Hospital in Chennai. We spent a day with Sheila as she worked around the clock, selflessly taking care of COVID patients. Take a look.
Every morning for the last 32 years, Sheila wakes up at 4 a.m. to first finish off the kitchen work for the day. She prepares breakfast and lunch for the family and then makes her way to work.
காலையில் எழுந்திரிச்சு ஒரு பிரேக்ஃபாஸ்ட்டுக்கு ரெடி பண்ணிவிட்டு லஞ்சுக்கும் ரெடி பண்ணிவிட்டு ரைஸ் மட்டும் எங்கள் ஹஸ்பண்ட் வீட்டிலேருந்து அவங்க சூடாக வச்சுருவாங்க. இல்லட்டா அதையுமே செய்யணும், அதையுமே ரெடி பண்ணி வச்சுட்டு போயிடுவேன். பிள்ளைங்க ஸ்கூல் விட் வரைக்கும் எல்லாமே ஆரி தான் பேக் பண்ணி கொடுத்துருவோம். உட்காந்துக்குங்க, பேக் பண்ணி கொடுத்துருவோம். ஸோ பிள்ளைங்க எப்போ ஸ்கூல் விட் வரைக்கும் வந்து ஆரி தான் சாப்பிடுவாங்க. நம்ம வீட்டில் இருக்க அம்மாவும் அப்பா வீட்டில் இருக்கிற அன்றைக்கி சூடாக சாப்பிடுவோம், எல்லாம் ஃபேமிலியாக உட்காந்து சாப்பிடுவோம்.
Sheila, a nurse, works at Rajiv Gandhi Hospital in Chennai. Sheila is one of the unsung heroes of these trying times. Working in tough conditions for more than 12 hours is not new for Sheila. But of course, this pandemic has put her in unprecedented circumstances as well. She claims she has never seen such a large number of patients, most of them panic-stricken.
பப்ளிக் இப்போ நிறைய வர்றாங்க நமக்கு ஹாஸ்பிட்டலில் வந்து நிறைய பேஷண்ட்ஸ் வர்றதுனால அது யூஸ்வலாக இருக்கிறத விட அந்த ஸ்ட்ரெஸ்ஃபுல் ஒர்க்லோடு ஜாஸ்தியாக தான் இருக்குது. இப்போ பேஷண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் வரும்போதே வந்து பாசிட்டிவ்ன்றப்ப அந்த ஆங்ஸைட்டி ஸ்ட்ரெஸ்ஸோடு தான் வருவாங்க, என்ன ஏதுன்னு தெரியாது அவங்களுக்கு. ஸோ அதனால் அந்த பயத்தோடவே வருவாங்க. உடனே வந்து எதாவது ட்ரீட்மெண்ட் நடக்கணும் அப்படின்னு அந்த இதோடு இருப்பாங்க. ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி பேஷண்ட்ஸை நம்ம வந்து ஹேண்டில் பண்ணணும். அவங்க வரும்போது ஒரு சிலர் சண்டை போடுவாங்க, ஒரு சிலர் உடனே நடக்கணும்னு சொல்லுவாங்க.
Sheila's focus is to first comfort the patients, assure them of a good treatment because she understands how fear of the unknown can hit even the strongest.
கோவிட்னு வரப்போ வந்து எனக்குமே பயம் இருந்துச்சு ஸ்டார்டிங்கில். அதுக்கப்புறம் நம்ம வந்து அதை பற்றி டீப்பாக படிச்சுக்கிட்டதுனால அது கோவிட்னா என்ன, இப்போ நமக்கும் அது வந்துடுமோ, கோவிடும் நமக்கும் வந்துடுமோ, நம்ம டெத் ரேட் எல்லாம் ஸ்டார்டிங்கில் வந்து ஒரு முதல்ல ஃபியர் தான். ஸோ அதனால் அந்த பயம் நமக்கு வருமோ, நம்ம ஏதாவது ஹெல்த் அஃபெக்ட் ஆயிருமோ, நம்ம ஃபேமிலி அஃபெக்ட், அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ஃபியர். ஆனாலும் வந்து நான் வந்து அதாவது ப்ரேயர்ஃபுல்லாக இருப்பேன், ரொம்ப ப்ரேயர்ஃபுல்லாக இருப்பேன். கடவுள்கிட்ட ஜெபம் பண்ணிவிட்டு அந்த மாதிரி ஜீசஸ்ட்ட ரொம்ப ப்ரேயரில் இருப்பேன். எல்லாருக்காகவும் ஜெபம் பண்ணுவேன், கண்ட்ரிக்காக, நம்ம ஸ்டேட்டுக்காக, நம்ம சிட்டிக்காக, அதே மாதிரி ஹாஸ்பிட்டல்ஸ்க்கு பேஷண்ட்ஸ்க்காக தினமும் காலையில் ஜெபம் பண்ணுவேன். அப்படி இருக்கும்போது நான் வந்து என்ன பண்ணுவேன், ஆண்டவர்கிட்ட எனக்கு எதுவும் வரக்கூடாது அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஜெபம் பண்ணிக்கிட்டே தான் நுழைவேன்.
Sheila got a big jolt earlier in May when she lost a colleague to coronavirus.
எல்லாரும் அழுதோம். நான் மேட்டன் இருந்தப்போ வந்து அவங்க ரொம்ப சின்சியர். அவங்க சர்வீஸ்னு ஓடிக்கிட்டே தான் இருப்பாங்க, டைமிங்ஸ் பார்க்க மாட்டாங்க. காலையில் வந்து நைட்டு 8 மணி வரைக்கும்லாம் இருந்துட்டு போவாங்க, டியூட்டி பண்ணுவாங்க. அந்த மாதிரி வந்து அவங்க இறந்துட்டது நாங்கள் எல்லாருமே அழுதோம், ரொம்ப மனசு கஷ்டம்தான்.
For Sheila and her husband, who is a health inspector, the only major concern was safeguarding their own daughter.
ஹாஸ்பிட்டலேருந்து வீட்டுக்கு வரோம்ல, வந்தோடனே அந்த குழந்தை வீட்டில் இருக்கா, அந்த பயம்தான் வரும் தவிர வேறு எதுவும் வராது. வந்தோடனே நாங்களும் முதல்ல வந்து வந்தோடனே அவளை மேலே அனுப்பிட்டு இவளை வந்து நானும் ஹாஸ்பிட்டல்ன்றதில் 2 பேரும் குளிச்சுட்டு தான் அவளை கீழே வர சொல்லுவோம். அது வரைக்கும் அவள் வந்து மேலே தான் இருப்பாள். அதை ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஏதாவது மார்ச் ஏப்ரல் அந்த ஸ்டார்டிங் ஸ்டேஜில் கொஞ்சம் பயம் இருந்துச்சு. அப்படியே கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சமாக பயம் இல்லாத நார்மலுக்கு வந்துட்டு, நார்மல் ஸ்டேஜுக்கு வந்துட்டு.
Sheila's daughter Andrea, who is preparing for NEET, has just one wish, that her mother gets proper rest.
She used to sleep nicely, get rest, so I won't disturb her because I know like 6 days of work at least I should live for her one day. Like I live her, then she will cook me something good, like I will ask her, cook me this, cook me that, and then she will cook me some kind of my favorite dishes and she will give me that. I will be eating and we will be talking for some times, and we will go to our neighbor's house, like we will sit and talk outside, or we will go to my relative's house, we will spend some times with them, and that's it.
Cover the entire body from the feet to the head in this equipment and wearing 2 pairs of gloves, a face shield and also a goggles to make sure that they are protected from the infection. This is how a frontline worker, a nurse, is sacrificing herself and for the goodness of others, the patients. This is how they are doing their job. This is just one day, one shift for them, and this is like 2 personal protection equipments you have to wear every 6 hours in a 12-hour shift. And yes, of course, the time increases as per the requirement because patients flow is still at large in the state of Tamil Nadu, especially Chennai. We're seeing 1,100 minimum, and this is just a bit of sacrifice that we could show to our viewers from the side of a nurse, a staff nurse, a frontline health worker in Chennai. Incredible job done by them for the safety and protection of others. With camera person Vijay Shekhar, Pramod Madhav for Mirror Now.
Well, what we've showed you are just some of the stories of Corona warriors who have been relentlessly making immense sacrifices over the past several months during this time of a pandemic and helping all of us battle the coronavirus. But there are several more such COVID warriors across the entire country. Mirror Now on Independence Day takes this opportunity to salute all of the COVID warriors. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning into Mirror Now. I'm Avni Raja and welcome to our very special show on the occasion of Independence Day. Mirror Now salutes all the Corona warriors. Now, it is said that we need heroes to fight a war. During the time India is fighting a war against the deadly coronavirus, holding fort are the real Corona heroes, healthcare staff, cops, even those sevadars who cremate COVID dead bodies. And their service to the nation is exemplary and inspiring. On Independence Day, Mirror Now salutes the sacrifice of every COVID warrior who has been putting his and her life at risk to ensure that the lives of others are saved.